So this is the end of the assembly, and if you stick around to the end, you will see how I put this all together. So please sit back and relax. Thanks a lot. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing the legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP Pack 19. So today we are doing 71, 72, 73 and 74. So this is our first pack, and hopefully I got the lighting and everything sorted now. As I said on a previous video, I have moved locations, so I have to sort out the lighting, the settings, so hopefully this will look a lot better. So I'm trying to improve my videos and hope this will work out. So this is the parts in 71, and let's put that to the side for now. And our magazine, just look at the parts, what we need to do, and that's it. So let's get stuck straight into it. We have these two parts, and we can go, I guess, here. And I believe it will go only one way. You need to get these two just there into these two locations. So if you try it that way, it won't match up. So it will go in this direction, just like that. And you need to plug that in. So find the location for that, which I'm struggling. There we go. And I'm trying to see if that is correct. No, that wasn't correct. So it is, there we go. It's in this direction. So hopefully you could get the angle. So you can see that's all lined up there. And at the bottom, you need to screw in 2 EP screws. I'm trying to hold that together while I load up my screw. So 2 EP screws just here. That's the first one, and I'll get the next one in, and that is the next one. So that's looking good. So we need to put some more screws. Let's get them now. So first we need a EP screw, and that will go straight through onto this side. So that's the first EP. Screw that in. Excellent. And now on the opposite side we need to change screws, and that is, if I can load it, and that is a CM screw, and that will go, let's just line this up, just there. Wow, these screws, I think I need to get a better screwdriver. I do have some, for some reason I'm being sticking with these. I need to change them. So that's the CM screw, and that went in perfect. Now with this direction, we need to get this plate that we received in this pack and line this up just like that. I don't think it will go any other way, because I think it will be out of place. Yeah, so it will go only one way. And we need again 2 CM screws. I might dip this one a bit in oil, just the head. Let's make sure that that is lined up. There we go. So this is the first one, and this is the next one. So that is the end of this issue. So let's move on to the next one. Issue 72. Let's just snip that apart and take a look what we need to do. So not much parts here, but probably a lot to do. Let's just see. Let's just put this here for now. Let's see what we need to do. And it's a ball joint. Not very much. Unfortunately, I can't read that. And we are attaching our ball joint as well. Just there. So let's get on with that. Okay, we have this ball joint, which just drops in just like this. Perhaps we can do this camera now. So just like that. And now with this part, we need to just put in, well, you have two of these caps. One is one is smaller, one is bigger. So let's put the bigger one and then the smaller one just on top. And now we have to somehow, let's see, let's balance that on. And in this direction, just there, we need to line this up to make sure that these all line up, which they do. And we need a couple of screws, and those are EP screws. So I'm gonna try and load up my screwdriver while holding this in place. And you have to get this quite tight, and you have to work with it in like a clockwise way, that you screw one down, then you screw the other one down until you fully tighten it completely, well, as best as possible, till you see that the ball joint not really moving as much. So that's the first one. So I'm gonna screw these do best I can. So you just go around until you finally get that as tight as possible. So you just keep on going round and round, and I will be back with you. So I think I got that as tight as possible. If you don't get this tight, believe me, you will have a floppy arm. So I'm gonna get this now attached to the other side. So just give us a second. We have our arm back, and this will really go on one way. It won't go any other way. So just like that. And again, we need 3 EP screws. This is going into plastic when it says a P at the end of the letter. So E and then a P, that means it's going into plastic. So yes, maybe so I can show you what I'm doing. So right here, that's the first one. We have 3 of them, one there and one there. So I'm going to get them in, and I'll be back with you. So that's all 3 now installed. It's coming on nicely, and that is the end of this issue. So let's get on to the next one. This is issue 73. Let's just open this up and take a look what we need to do. So it's just some kind of sleeve and a cover. And let's see exactly what it is that is needed. So just a cover, and the sleeve needs to go on. So that's it. So that's going to be really fast. Let's get on with that. We have the arm, and there is a bigger and a smaller hole. So I could see one peg is bigger than the other. So let's just get this in the correct way. Just like that. Pretty straightforward. And now with this sleeve, I believe it goes down this way. You have this pattern, but on the magazine it's showing this way. So you just pop that on, just like that. And there is a bit of a gap there, and I'm not sure if that fits better that way. But let's do it in the magazine as it shows. Maybe when it pushes up slightly with the arms on, it might be okay. So that is it in this issue, and let's get on to our last one. This is issue 74. Oh, we could cut it with our fingers. Excellent. And a magazine. 2 parts here. It looks like we're starting the hand. Wow. Great. So let's just make sure if that is the case. Yep, we are. Okay, haven't done this in a while. So again, shouldn't be too long of an issue. So let's get on with that. We have these 2 parts and we can go here. So it's the finger. This is the top of the finger, and this part, it just needs to clip together. So push these together just like that. Make sure they close fully. And now we need to get a few parts ready. And this part in this direction, and the top of the finger, or is that, no, that is the bottom of the finger. And now turn it that way, and we need to get a spring through this. We do have 2 springs, but I believe just 1 spring is needed. And with a RP screw, you will just need to go through the spring and into the screw hole. So let's see how that is. So our spring is now inserted. Seems to be okay. And that is now it for this part. Now this part, we have these 2, and the one with the holes, you can see it's the difference. Face it in this direction with the larger hole towards the bottom. Just fit that over the 2 posts. Then flip this one over in the same direction. So just like that. And now we need to get a couple of screws in this. And those are BM screws. So it's going into metal. So we're going to get our first screw just here. And this is the next screw. So that's nice and tight. And with that, that brings us to the end of this issue. So if you could do us a massive favor, I just moved my magazine out the way. I left it in that corner. If you can subscribe to our channel, because I really do need your help. And this is what we are left over. And if you could do us a massive favor too, if you could hit that like button, that promotes our video further on. So that will fit like that. And I really hope you enjoyed that, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all next time. And that's goodbye for now.